So today is laundry day. However, I got some spot cleaning to do. We're continuing with deep cleaning my studio apartment with me and just taking you all on an experience because I've been enjoying picking this back up. It's been a while between a couple of these episodes and sessions. And hands are already clean. Can't go wrong with some hand sanitizer. And we finna spot treat. Washcloth here. Well, house cloth. Washcloth. Ain't finna bathe with it, ain't finna do clothes with it, just finna clean surfaces with it. So this is what I was meaning. And we have our mixture here. I need to take the label off. This is how you repurpose empty body care items here. Mixture of Fabuloso, a bit of bleach, water. The amount of bleach is not as much as the Fabuloso, and then the water kind of dilutes it. So more water and Fabuloso in this than anything. Probably more water than both. So we're going to spray here our surface. And that is from getting ready, and it's just coming off easy. And my hands have makeup on them. And the plus side of this is when you're wiping your walls down, this might be an OG cleaning tip. With Fabuloso and a mixture of water, a little bit of bleach. That's my personal mixture. But the Fabuloso, wiping the walls down with it, make it smell good. So every time you go in the room, between the time it dry and set itself, it's gonna smell like whatever scent of Fabuloso you put up. All right, let me carry over here. It's better for y'all to see it this way. Also, hands stained with makeup. Learn from my mistakes. I want you to see how easy that come off. Show this type of stuff, but it's like, how else do you learn to get better at anything? Or how other people's processes go for you to be better. I already had to do this anyway, so why? Yay, y'all can still see me a bit. It's gonna smell good every time I walk past. It's got to go in the wash. Clothes here. It is laundry day. I'm gonna do a bit of separation here. Wash all the whites first. Anytime I see white clothing, I'm going to wash it. Yeah, I definitely had a craze of white clothing. Speaking of Fabuloso, this is the passion of fruits. You can just call it passion fruit. I guess not. Apple, lemon, and red apple, green apple, and lemon is the fruits that they're showing. Not sure if that represents what's actually in it as far as fragrance. So, put all this white shirt, white pants, checking the pockets. And keep this inside out. Yeah, this shirt doesn't have anything on it. These white leggings. These pants I was telling you about. We change them a complete different color. It goes to that top I was talking about on the last session. And this is part of a Shein, whichever one it is, set. Oh, I know which one this go with. Different shade of pants altogether. Specifically, never mind the pod. I watch them, especially if it's been a while since I've gotten into it, since I've worn it rather, then I wash it more than once. Definitely. We got to get them whiter than snow. Just like how Jesus just washes us and makes us white as snow. When he renews and restores our life. You know, he probably don't require, you know, when he does that, it's probably not a multiple rinse. But you know what? He's a forgiving God, a merciful God. More than one chance, and he washes us, purifies our lives. The point I'm trying to make here. White clothing specifically, I will wash more than once. Color clothing, if I see it comes out the first time completely clean and I don't see no lint and stuff like that, I'll go through that with y'all. Then it passed the one wash test. White clothing, more than one. No. More than once. Set up my load for, and this is fit of the day. The dress here. And it ends there. That's usually my personal limit of comfortability. The closer to the knee that it gets, the better. Yeah. What I'm going to do, I normally kind of group the colors, not strictly to just like, for example, if it's all pink. Sometimes I do pink and orange, especially if I know the fabric of these clothing really well. Some of these pieces I've had for years. I would do it that way. And I think I would like to try some of these on too. So all the pinks here, you can't see it, it's on the floor, they're gonna get washed. Yellows here, oranges. Sometimes I put oranges and the pinks together. Even if it's a yellow with print. I put this white in the wash, I'll be back. Yep, pink with print. I don't see much pink here, so I'm putting the pink in the orange together, stack it on top. Leave that yellow where it is. Put all this jean and denim stuff together here in a separate pile. Cream colored, brown colored stuff. Not gonna try to do that too much. Just get the jean stuff out. Pants from. Now there's some stuff I don't have from. Last time I bought from them, honestly, back in 2021, for the first time, I just wanted to see what they were about. They call them fast fashion, but some of this stuff, this has stood the test of time. I've had this for 2 years now. The jeans I can attest for. The t-shirts, not so much. And I don't know if that's because the excessive armpit sweating, which means you have to have an aggressive routine for that. Having to toss one of those shirts as I just glanced at that over in a whole separate pile. But the jeans, from that one experience, this is 2 years. Not a rip, not a tear, I mean, they're solid for what they are. I'm putting in the wrong pile. Depends on what it is and how they make it and what they're making it out of. How many of these jeans I could buy. There's one thing you can't go wrong with is a good solid pair of jeans. Yellow. there's something about yellow that it does for melanin. I personally wear it because it reminds me of sunshine and happiness. And I believe there's a biblical symbolism behind wearing yellow, what it represents. What's on it, or whether it's a graphic t-shirt. Nope, plain. And it's pink. Can't you tell I love pink? I mean, my channel, my outfits, just pink. Love denim. I'm finna show you an example of it matters where you buy your clothing. Nearly 2 years ago, and you'll find out why I said that. For my birthday, this is one of my outfits for my photo shoot from a boutique store, which shall not be named. It's nice, but in the months following that, let me just show you. Let me come talk to you. The hemming is still here. On that one outer side, inner side began to rip. With what I have been taught, I could probably still transform this and keep this dress where I could salvage it, but you shouldn't have to do that. You see what I'm saying? That's something that you should consider doing the clothes, altering them or repairing them after you've had them for years. Had this for close to 2 years. But the thing was, it wasn't even a year before it started, the hemming started coming from it and then ripping apart along the neck. It's a great dress. It's a bodycon dress. So bodycon, it hugs all the curves. So if you're uncomfortable with that, whether you're in shape or not, you don't want to show all your hey and he bodycon is not for you. You want something to be form-fitting, not ill-fitting. That part. I don't know why I went there with all that. But it is what it is. So I'm going to put that to the side. I never thought about it until I got on here to talk to y'all about it. Alter the, because I'm already thinking of now how I can probably salvage that and turn it into something fashionable and kind of repair that with some type of fabric or something. That doesn't mean you're out of luck if you don't know how to do that stuff. You just got to find yourself a seamstress. That's, I spoke too soon. And leave the pink there. I already have some orange here, and this comes with this gorgeous lace top to go over it. And it covers a multitude of everything, so I won't have to worry about it. It's just an accent to things. Whew. Gonna come have an ice cold Sprite here. I don't have these often. Thank you, gracious Father. All right, Amen. I got clothes to fold. And these are the clothes I currently have clean. Whew. If you'd like to see more videos like this, on either side, there will be a playlist for you to enjoy. Because I don't know how to make any sessions I'm going to have of this. Until next time, love you. When I think about love, it's one of the bravest things that you can do. It is patient, it is kind, it does not envy or boast, and it'll keep you on the coast of not being rude or self-seeking. nor is it easily angered or seething mad, and it keeps no records of wrongs. It has no pleasure in evil, but it rejoices in the truth. And most of all,